and 80 number 8. So I'm going to do it exactly like I did in class, but when I was in class, for some weird reason, I multiplied this fraction by 1 plus sine A instead of cosine A, and it messed it up. So the common denominator is cosine A times 1 plus sine A. And remember, we said that since secant is 1 over cosine, I would be very happy if I ended up on the left-hand side, if I ended up with 2 over cosine A, because that's the same as 2 secant A. So if I ended up with anything like that over here, I would be very happy about that. So common denominator, so that means I'd have to multiply the top and the bottom of this by cosine A. I think I messed it up and multiplied it by 1 plus sine A again. Okay, I'm multiplying by that. And then this one's getting multiplied by 1 plus sine A over 1 plus sine A. This is the messiest thing ever. Okay, so this gives me cosine squared A. I'll make some more room. And then this is just something squared. It's like 1 plus sine A times 1 plus sine A. So I can square those in my head using the squaring pattern. It's going to be 1 squared plus 2 times sine A plus sine squared A. If you FOIL that out, you should get this part right here. And that's equal to 2 secant A. Now, we just learned that cosine squared A plus sine squared A equals 1. We just learned that in our lesson. That's one of our identities. So should I write that somewhere so we know? I'll just write it really small up here in red. Pythagorean identity, cosine squared x plus sine squared x equals 1. Okay, there was 3 identities we learned today. Well, they're not on that page, but there's one of them. Okay, these two guys right here equal 1 because cosine squared x plus sine squared x equals 1. And then there's that other one. So now I'm going to write it as 2 plus 2 sine A over cosine A times 1 plus sine A. And I want that to end up being 2 over cosine A, which is the same as 2 secant A. So I'm going to factor up here. I see there's a 2 I can factor out. Okay, now I see that I can cancel. And I have 2 over cosine A, which is what I said I would like. Now that's not exactly equal to 2 secant A, but I mean they are equivalent because there's that identity. Secant is the reciprocal of cosine. So this is actually the same as 2 secant A. So that's how you finish it off. But you need to show all your work on these. When it says show, you gotta show it.